My invisible zipper skills have improved so much. Like, I am so proud of myself. It was at this moment that I realized I missed a step and it obviously needs a zipper. Looks like I missed some markings, and because I sewed the back of this skirt all the way up, not realizing that it needs a zipper in the back. And why I didn't realize that? Because I don't know. It tells you need two zippers. So yeah, when it wouldn't go up, I went back to my instructions and supplies and realized, yes, there are two zippers in this pattern and I missed one. So I am turning this skirt inside out so I can figure out how I missed these markings. I don't know. And the crazy thing is that I don't see any markings. Maybe I missed them. But I do see, actually, I see the notch. But I think that's just for matching because you only need a 9-inch zipper for the back. And let's see if there's another notch. Yep, there's another one. So this is probably where I was supposed to put that zipper at. So I'm going to unpick this back seam and hopefully this will be the last time I have to unpick anything and do this again, because I have made this skirt. No, I've redone this thigh slit zipper several times because I had the wrong pieces together. Things weren't matching. It was just like, it really gave me a headache. This skirt really gave me a headache. And I've been working on it for about 2 to 3 weeks. So this is definitely where I should have put the zipper, because that is measuring right at about 9 inches. And look, there is my zipper mark for my dot that I missed earlier. Don't know how I did that. So I'm just gonna unpick everything from here up. Then I'm gonna do my waistband, add in a zipper, and hopefully that will be all I need to redo on this skirt. Alright, so let's unpick that back seam from that notch all the way up to the waistband. And then we're sewing the waistband facing. And now we're sewing the waistband to the skirt. And now we're understitching the facing, which I realized I'd been doing this wrong for so long, but I did it right here. And now I'm pressing the facing to the inside of the skirt. Now the back zipper is an exposed zipper, and I did install this off camera. Now I'm just finishing the waistband and the zipper and giving it a final try on. Yes, it is still too big and there is still work to be done. I'm so ready to be finished with this skirt, but I'm going to make the final adjustments and I'll see you in the next video for the final finished look with the necessary adjustments.